5 minutes before Nike East LA opens. 5 minutes before. Pretty big line. Definitely gonna hit up the Foot Locker outlet. Gonna stop by East LA. Is it even worth it with the big old line? Probably not. Yup, that's the line right there. That's the line. Of course, they do got 40% off. They also got reefers Nike by you, 102. So what's that? 60 bucks. Infinity Run 4s right here, $80. Got some mids going for 80 bucks. Size 13, these are $90. The 40 off, that's a great deal. Resellers fun. Resellers coming up in the grade school section. In the women's right here, size 12, 100 bucks for these. So what, 60 after the savings? If they had my size, look at this, 90. So is that $54? 54 bucks for Invincible runs. 9.5s, 108. 8.5 right here, $90. 90 bucks, damn. Back in the men's size 9, 90 bucks for these LeBrons. No Invincible runs, my size, nothing really standing out. In the aisles, this is the Jordan section right here. All right, let's go on to the next spot. They also did have clearance apparel, 40% off. They have refurbished clothing there as well, pretty dope. Right next to the Whittier Blvd sign right here, do have a Foot Locker outlet where you get 50% off almost everything. They got signs everywhere, take 50% off. Check in to see if anything just got marked down. It is a weekend, and I don't think they do most of their markdowns on the weekend. Last time I came, they had just put the Infinity Run 3s, Infinity Run Flyknit 3s from over there to over here, so they were going for $55. They also had Hoka's and a few other shoes as well for crazy cheap. I forgot. They have a little sale section right here. More of like a, hey, we only have one size left section. Two ways right here. These are the budget basketball shoes by New Balance. $30 freaking. Only got a couple size left. Under Armour Phantom. Are these the Phantom 3s, right? Yeah, Phantom 3s. Pretty comfortable. These are for running. $60 freaking, which means 30 bucks. These are size 9 women's, size 7.5 men's. $30 NMDs right here. Curry's right here for $35. Obviously a smaller size. These are size 7. And that's the second Curry. Damn, I forgot to call that mom that I'm trying to hook up his kid or her kid with. Dang it. $35 or $40 for those. Wait, did I say that right? I said I need to contact a mom where I want to hook up her kids with some shoes. Not I wanted to hook up with her. All right, $15 for basketball shoes. Converse basketball, $15, pretty much free. Holy crap, what size is? 10.5. I can't wear these because my feet are all jacked up. Gotta wear comfortable basketball shoes with really good cushioning. $15 for Chucks, $10 for Chucks. What these suedes go for? Oh, suedes. Retail 50 off. Are these like the Zoom Freak? Oh, these are the Zoom Freak 5s. I thought they were older ones. $50, so $25 for those. The XLs right here. The suede XLs go for 20 bucks. They do have a section here where it's 75% off, it's 50%, and then another 50% off on top. They got some interesting jerseys right here. Is that a Liverpool jersey? Liverpool basketball LeBron jersey. I think LeBron's like part owner, right? Double XL, $70 also. Oh, okay, 2 double XLs, 70 bucks. So that's what, $17.50? Also got matching shorts. These shorts are actually pretty dope. Wear that with the black t-shirt, right there with the, wear it with the tank top. Also wear it with other stuff, whatever. 70 bucks, 30 or 75% off. Still got NBA basketball shirts right here. Do they have various sizes? Yeah, they do have various sizes. I see XL, I see medium. And also got a few player shirts left over, small and XL. Yeah, got Kevin Durant right here. They had AE ones. They got a couple different players. Or is it just all Durant? Maybe it's all Durant. Got swimming trunks right here. Is this Nike swimming trunks? I don't know why I can't talk today. But yeah, I do got these $74 if you're ready to swim. Got a few different sizes. Got Nike products here. They have a ton of Nike actually today. They have Nike. They also have what is it? Foot Locker brand. They have, I think it's called Locker brand, and then they have a few different brands right here. What is it? Their homegrown program where they showcase a lot of their local designers and stuff like that. Also got a couple All City shorts right here still left over. That's definitely a surprise. These are $50, and then you get an extra 75% off. Checking out the women's section right here. All right, I was trying to hook up one of my homegirls with some running shoes because she's a runner. I have a few people at work that are all runners, so I've been trying to help some of them out. I'm gonna have to send them here so she could try some of this stuff on. There's Infinity Run 4s for $40. These Adrenalines for $35, kind of crazy. And they also have the Nimbuses right here, $55. This is, I think that one, I think that's their max cushion, right? I think so. And then they have the Nova Blast 4s right here, also 55. Looks like a similar stack height. On running shoes for $60. That Hoka is right here with the Bondi 8s going for $65. That's pretty much the cheapest you'll find the Bondis. I do have a pair, pretty freaking comfortable. And they do have Dunks right here going for $90. A lot of those Dunks, you do get the extra 50% off. The only ones where you don't get a discount, they do mark them with this exclusive Foot Locker exclusive tag, which is really useful. Like these right here, you're gonna get it for the price that it's marked. But right here, you're gonna get these for 50% off because it doesn't have one of those tags. $65 for Jordan 3s, $30 for Air Max 1s right here in the women's. Jordan 1s for $30 freaking dollars. Here in Chic, man, Chic has had crazy sales as well. But yeah, $30 for these. Trying to buy someone some shoes. Wondering if that's, I wonder if they'd be okay with that colorway. $30 is pretty much free. $70 for those right there. By $70, I mean $35. Also got this colorway. Did I show this one in there? $40 for those right there. Jordan 2s also for $35. Like those are $70 as well. Got some Zoom GTs right here for $45. Sabrina's for $45 as well. When I missed these, that was $45 for these. I feel like they had more Dunks before, but this is pretty much the women's section. Wonder if there were a few people that bought them all out, because I swear they had more Dunks before, no? We got these Dunk Low Twists right here, 50% off retail, 50% off retail for these, as well as these bad boys right here. And then no additional discounts on these right here. So they're going for retail. What is this? 110, 115 for the Forces, 120 for these. Shout out to the homie Pat over there. I don't know if he wants me to shout out. I don't know, whatever. But yeah, this is the men's section. Let's see what's going on with the men's. The Splash Brothers right here. The Budget Craze. I think they marked these down. $25. $25. Normally $100, so 75% off. But you could get the retro curries right here for $30, so $5 more. I definitely think that's worth it. And yeah, they got some Curry 4s right here for $30. Yeah, they got these for $40 right here, as well as these. And these highs right here for $40 as well. I definitely think it's worth a few extra dollars to get the signature. I don't know about all the technology and that type of stuff, to be really honest. I don't know their shoes like that. And you got Glycerins, $40. They look like bigger sizes. They do look like bigger sizes. They got the Ghost Max right here as well. Man, someone told me they made the Glycerin Max as well. If you get that Glycerin Max, you're gonna get that extra soft cushioning. Got tons of, what did they use? I don't even know what their midsole is, but it's comfortable as hell though. They got the Brooks running shoes right here as well. The Hyperion Max. Is that their max cushion? I don't know. But yeah, normal 170 down to $45 freaking dollars. That's pretty crazy. These are called the Forever Runs. I'm not really familiar with Puma's running shoe. I know Nitro is their premium midsole technology, the midsole foam. But yeah, $40 for both of these. They got multiple colors right here. GT Academies, so freaking $25. $25 for GT Academies. I might have to buy one of these. I'm trying to find a size 11 women's. 11 of women's, and that's a 9.5 men's. That's just too cheap. That's way too cheap. I thought these were Ultra Boosts right there. No, not Ultra Boosts. These are the Ultra Bounce, kind of like the budget versions. $25. GT Cut Academies for $25. That's just insane. And they also have these as well. The Forum Lows, $15. Just bigger sizes. Also got these. They've been having these Chuck 70s. These are the upgraded Chucks. $95 down to $15. Really? You got people that aren't really sneakers. $10 for Reeboks. Also more Chucks going for freaking $15 right here. It's like a nylon material one. $15, yo. And then Converse boots. $15? Are you serious? These retail for $140. So they're, I don't know, that's a lot of money off. $125 off? There aren't too many spots where you're gonna get certain things for sale, and that's Jason Mark's cleaning kits. You get 50% off all this. So yeah, these are normally $20. Goes down to $10. You get a soft bristle brush and everything. Yeah, $9 for that right there. That's a foaming cleaner. The Repel. You're not gonna find this on sale anywhere. So $9, pretty freaking solid. If you're into this as well, like the crease guards and that type of stuff, they just have smalls for this one. But yeah, they have the crap ones right here. 50% off. I'm surprised resellers haven't come picked all this stuff up, because I want to say I rarely ever see these on sale anywhere. They got this brand as well, Force Field Elite. I don't know why I can't read, but yeah, they do have smalls. They have larges for these as well. So they are crease guards, and yeah, they're $13 down to $6.50. Pretty freaking dope. They have Locker brand. Oh, they got Elite socks here too. Nike Elite socks. These are for youth, 5 to 7 grade school. But yeah, $5. You're not really gonna ever find those for that cheap, even at the outlets. Nike outlets, I want to say I've never seen them for $5. They got Locker brand socks right here. I've been very impressed with Locker brand, as well as CSG, which is Champ Sports Gear. But yeah, normally $15. These are down to $5 freaking dollars. You get 6 pairs. And they got the PSD stuff here as well. Pair of, what are these, boxer briefs? Pair of boxer briefs, $5. These are normally like, I want to say $20. $28. $28 down to $5. They got all kinds. They got all kinds of sizes. They got small, large, mediums. They got multiple ones. Yeah, not bad, not bad. They do have a Kids Foot Locker. The Kids Foot Locker is not included in the outlets. All right, let's see what I missed out in the men's section. The men's section is pretty freaking long. There's a lot of stuff. So yeah, let's see what I missed out on. Is that Coolio? Is that Coolio? This song used to hit so freaking hard when I was younger. But yeah, they got some Currys right here. All this stuff is just stuff that just came in from the other stores. They got Curry 12s right here. Curry 12s, that is the latest freaking model. And yeah, these are 50% off. Pretty freaking fire. I got some of the retros with these 4s right here. Infinity Run 4s for 50 off. Dunks right there. They don't have the tag, so these are all 50% off. Got Forces here. This one really sticks out. If you want to stick out, that definitely does a job. 50% off. $125. Then I got Forces, LeBron 21s right here, going for 50 off. Air Maxes right there. Got some Air Max 1s, all going for 50% off. Got Hoka's right here, the Bondi 8. These are the 2Es, so they're slightly wider. But yeah, 165, you get 50 off. Then more running shoes, Glycerins right here. If you're patient, they'll eventually go down. On running, got all kinds of on running shoes. Are those the Cloud Monsters right there? Cloud Monsters, 170. Just, damn, everything's on sale. I don't think I've ever seen them that cheap. Going back to the sales items right here. 2060s, $55. That's the cheapest you'll ever find those. We have not seen Air Max DNs going for $60. So that's the cheapest. $55 for Jordan 1s. Comforts, are these comforts? Or are these just Jordan 1 highs? I think they're comforts, yeah. They do have Zoom Air and 55. Why you gotta fall down, fool? Why you gotta fall down, man? Stop flopping, dude. Stop flopping. People are gonna talk about LeBron now that I mentioned flopping. Wait, they got Ghost Max for $40. Did I show this earlier? $40 for Ghost Max. That's definitely the cheapest. Holy crap. I'm about to tell my homegirl to come out here, dude. $40. Man. And glycerins for $40 as well. I've mentioned that some people called. So yeah, like I said, I've mentioned that some people call these like the Mexican Jordans. Some of you guys were way triggered by that. I thought that was hilarious. But yeah, do you guys, what are these? True Flights? Oh, the MVPs. MVPs going for $40. Holy cow. Oh wait, I didn't see this colorway. $35 for these Currys. I really like these. I kind of wish I got these instead of the ones I have at home. But yeah, $35 is way cheap. Should I? Nah, man, I need to stop getting stuff. God dang, dude. I kind of want these so I could wear it with my Project Rock. They got Phantoms right here for $35. The Phantoms are comfortable, dude. Phantoms are comfortable. These are the SE versions, slightly different than the original. And they got these. They do got these. They got the Reebok Questions right here, $35, $35. These are the pump versions, if you need to pump it up, like in the 90s. And then, yeah, I saw your guys' comments. Some of you guys are like, you gotta double up on these. You gotta get a second one. I kind of should. $35? Kind of freaking crazy, dude. I can't believe these are still here. And these are the Kobe PEs, the OG Kobe PEs from way back when he was in Sneaker Age. Man, that's crazy. I can't believe those are still here for $35. This is a perfect example of how the store works, because they will sell out on this type of stuff and then stores will send stuff back. Remember, this is a clearance store, it's an outlet, so they get stuff from the stores instead of from the warehouses, and stores will just, they'll sleep on these, and they'll be at the stores for, you know, for like 6 months or something like that. They'll sleep on them. They're supposed to send them out here, but they'll be busy with other stuff. They'll forget, and then they end up here eventually. So yeah, they keep getting additional shipments. So yeah, that's why you gotta keep checking the store. God dang, that was long-winded as hell. God damn, some of you guys were like, stop talking, fool, stop talking. All right, so this is the men's wall right here. I think we went through almost everything, right? Did I miss anything? 6 rings, $75. Pretty solid price. Anything else? Did I miss anything else? Got Michigan Dunk Highs right there. I think I got almost everything. Got books. I think I missed out on those. Got the books right there. Friendly reminder, sizing definitely an issue. So yeah, a lot of the stuff, they might not have your size. They might not have your size. I still got these Crocs right here. I think these are big, right? No. Oh no, they're size 9 women's, 7 men's. But they're retail though. They are retail. If they drop, I might grab this for somebody. Only have a size 7 men's, 9 women's. They got these still, go for $25. These are the Nightmare on Elm Street Crocs. Still got the Captain America ones, 50 off. Pringle ones right here. They look bigger. They look bigger. Men's 11s. They got a couple of those, 50 off. Got Yoda ones right here. If someone's into Star Wars, I didn't see this before. Size 9 men's right here, 50% off. I don't see that little exclusive tag on it. And they're pretty good about adding these tags, so we know which ones on sale, which ones are not on sale. They got a few hats right here, $15 for fitted New Era caps. They got Arizona. They got, oh, I said Arizona. They got California. California, just that shows you how old I am. But yeah, they do have the Los Angeles Angels of Anaheim. That's the stupidest name, whatever. But they also got the Diamondbacks. They got San Francisco Giants right here. And they got different sizes. They do have Pro Standard Lakers hat right there. They got Dodgers. They got Yankees. Yeah, and I think, are they all $15? Some of them are 15. Some of them are a little bit more. They're 50% off. But yeah, solid price as long as you don't mind red, because everything there was red. Got these platform Crocs, $15 for these. They got various sizes. All right, this is the Foot Locker outlet right next to Nike Community Store East LA. Definitely worth stopping by, 50% most of their stuff. Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys hit that like button. We out, man. We out.